Hi buddies, welcome back to Innovision. Today let's discuss how to register ourselves as Amazon associate or affiliate. Amazon associate or affiliate, it is a program of Amazon. You know that Amazon is the largest selling website in the world with a lot of branches. It sells some crores of billions of products in its website, and most of the customers from the different countries, they believe in the quality of the products of Amazon also. So most of the people, they buy when they want any product, they go to the Amazon app and they search for the reviews, ratings, other people comments, these all things. So they spend a lot of time. Okay, so you should do their work actually. Here, in order to become an Amazon associate or affiliate, you should do their work. You should filter out the good products with the good ratings and good sellings, and with a large number of sellings. You have to filter those products, and you have to put the code or URL of those products into your social networking sites or a website or app. If you have any own website or app, you can put that product codes in there. Otherwise, you can put that product codes into your social networking sites, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram. You can promote them, and when the customers come there, when they buy your products, and if the quality is good, then like this, when your referrals and suggestions are good, then many people starts believing in you. They believe in your referrals and sharings, they buy through your links, then you will get the more commissions on them. So this is how actually Amazon associates or affiliate works. When different peoples, when they actually, and one more thing here, when people buy through the Amazon app or your product code, there will be no change in the price. It is not like that if the people buy through your link, then Amazon product price will be more. If they go to the app, official app, and buy the product from there, then the price will be less. No, it is not like that. Whether they buy from the Amazon official app or buy your product link that you have shared in the Facebook or WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, like that, the product price will be same. Okay, so it's a good part-time job that you can work on it for 1 hour, 1.5 hour every day. And one more biggest advantage of this is you need not to go to the shop to buy the product, and you need not to go to the person who wants its delivery. You need not to go to the home of the person to deliver the products. If there is any defect in the product, you need not to collect it by going to their home also. So everything will be done by the Amazon. You just need to suggest the good filtered with the good ratings, best sellings, high quality products to the different people. That's all. If they're interested, they buy. You will get the commission depending on the products. For the electronics, different commission. For the cloth materials, different. So like that, depending on the product, different commission rates will be there. So you just need to filter out the products. You need not to do anything. Just by sitting at the home, you have to share the product links. That's all. And now the people, those who are selling hundreds of products, the Amazon associates, those who are selling hundreds of products, even they also in the beginning, they just shared the product links. Now when the people started believing, more number of people started believing their sharings and referrals, now they are able to sell the hundreds of products. So in the beginning, it takes some time. So every day you can work 1.5 hour, then it will turn into a good profitable part-time job to you. It is a creative work. It is not like every day we go to work and do the repeated work. Not like that. You should use some of your creative skills also. Why? Because you have to attract the customers to open your product code, and you have to make them buy. So you should suggest to them only the good quality, high ratings, high selling products, which will long lasting, of good brand products. If you sell any product that your commission is good but the product quality is bad, then people believe everybody only once, and remember that. So let's discuss how to register ourselves as Amazon associate or affiliate. I am moving on to the desktop of my laptop. Register ourselves as Amazon associate or affiliate. Open the Google Chrome. Go to the search bar and type Amazon affiliate. Open the first result, Amazon.in associates. Here you can see in the top right corner, join now for free. Tap on it. You go to the switch accounts. and tap on add a account. Create a new account. Type your name here. Next, email. You have to choose a password, your own password, which you can remember easily. Type the same password. The OTP will be received on the email which you have typed. So check for the OTP. That is 160860 is the OTP which is received on the email. Now here is the first application form which is opened to register ourselves as Amazon affiliate. Pay name is actually your name. Pay name is nothing but the person who is willing to register himself as Amazon associate. Fill the address line 1, your area or village name. Address line 2, then type your mandal here. Address line 3, type the name of the city which is close to your area. Then in the city also you type same. Set state, province or region. So here type Telangana. Postal code 504106. Mobile number 463971881. Who is the main contact for this account? Just here the payee listed above, keep it as it is. For US tax purpose, are you US person? We are not a US person, so just select no and go to the next. In the postal code we have typed one extra digit, so I'll remove it. Next. Your websites and mobile apps. Now it is asking whether we have any website or mobile apps. So if you do not have any website or mobile app, you can place your Facebook profile page URL also. So I am opening my Facebook profile page. This is my Facebook profile page, and here you can see in the top search bar the URL of my Facebook. We don't have any website and app, so that's why we are taking this Facebook profile page URL. If you have any website or app, then you can take the URL of website or your own app. It is asking your own app or website, so I'll copy this and I'll go to the same Amazon associate page and I'll paste it here and tap on add. So now I have added my Facebook URL here. Now type the next. Next, another page of application form of Amazon associate is opened. What is your preferred associate's store ID? This is we can select on our own. Whatever you choose, you can select it. I am selecting Sean 7786. Your website list. We neither have any website or mobile app, so we have actually pasted here Facebook profile page URL as it is. So leave it as it is. Your mobile app list. We don't have any mobile apps. What are your websites or mobile apps about? Actually, we don't have any website or mobile apps, so we need not to write anything here. But we actually pasted here our Facebook profile page now, so it is a social networking site. select primary topic. See here, which of the following topics best describes your website or mobile apps? We neither have any website or mobile app, but even though we select others, secondary topic also you just select others. What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your website or mobile apps? Means what type of products you are interested to sell, it is asking. So I'm interested to sell in a toy and clothing, shoes and jewelry. Select them. What type are your website or mobile apps? It is asking what is the type of our websites and mobile apps. Neither we have website or mobile apps, you know that, so we just select the others. Tap on it and select the others. Next, how do you drive traffic to your website? Through social networking sites only. If you have your own blogs and shopping portals, or if you drive the traffic to your website through emails or paid search, you can select whatever you want. But now we are just driving the traffic, means customers will come and see the products through some social networking sites only. So I have selected only this one. How do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? How do we get the income from our websites and apps? So we'll select here e-commerce and online retails. Here also same. How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month? So approximately we'll take here 501 to 5000. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate program? So select other. Don't select here to monetize my site. Select other. Next, how did you hear about us? Your wish, you can select any one of those things. Here a CAPTCHA is being shown. Type the CAPTCHA as it is shown. Tap you agree to the terms and conditions. Next, finish. How do you usually build links? I have not selected here, so select the other. Finish. CAPTCHA was typed. Detail is still mistakenly, so I am typing it one more time. Okay, already we have filled the 3 forms of this Amazon Associates application. Next, last one is, you can see, thank you for applying to the Amazon.in Associates program. Now you are the Amazon official associate or affiliate. That Amazon will give you the product links to sell, and you can put that links anywhere you want. If the customers open that links and buy the products from there, then you will get the commission from the products. It is not like if the people buy the products from the Amazon app, then they will get the price less. If they buy the products with your links, then the price of the products will be more. No, it is not like that. Whether they buy through the Amazon app or by your links, the price is same. There is no change in the price. So you are just making them comfortable by keeping the products in their social networking sites, whatever they need. You are choosing the best products and referring them that these are the best selling products with good reviews and with good experienced comments of the customers. So it depends on the customers that you are actually filtering the good products from the Amazon and putting the links. So if they are interested, then they will take definitely. So enter your payment and tax information, it is asking. Then here we have to enter the PAN card and our bank account information. If you are interested in that, means first you just start your work, put the product links in the different social networking sites, and then also later you can fill your bank account information and PAN card information. Why? Because after every 1 month, Amazon actually checks how many customers have bought by using your links. Then it will pay the commission to you to your bank account. Then it needs your bank account number. So you can actually give your bank account number later also. So I'll type the later here. See, now we right now on the official page of Amazon Associates. Here you can see this is the dashboard. We have not started anything yet. So here total fees and total bounties and clicks and total earnings, ordered items, they all are 0. Now see that here you can see the recommended for you products. Alan Solomons polo, this is the t-shirt, and here you can see the bananas, underwears and lady dresses. So these are the best products. Amazon is suggesting you to sell them. If you are interested, you can sell. Otherwise, you can search for other products also that you are interested to sell. Amazon is suggesting these products, that these are the best selling products. If you put the links of these products in the different social networking sites, then there are a lot of chances are there for the customers to buy them. So it depends on you whether you are interested to buy or not. First, now I want to sell this t-shirt and I want to put the product code of this t-shirt in the different social networking sites, because I have only social networking sites. I don't have any my own website, my own app. If I have my own app, then I can copy this highlight HTML, tap on it. You have to copy this code and paste it in your website or app. So we don't have our own website and app now, so I'll just right click on this shop now and I will copy this link address and I'll go to my Facebook profile page, and here I will post that product code. You can see that here. I'll type one more time. I already posted once, so it is showing this. I'll remove this everything to show you one more time. I'll write here best selling t-shirt. You can write anything which makes the customers to attract towards it. Now paste that product code which we have copied from Amazon Associates website. See, this was the code which we have copied. Now I'll post it. Now your friends, those whoever can see your posts, they see this product, see here like this, best selling t-shirt. If they are interested, instead of best selling t-shirt, you can write that the product with good reviews, long lasting product, like this. So when your friends, not only on Facebook, you can share this product code on WhatsApp, Instagram also. You can even promote it on TikTok also. So it is a good part-time job. Every day at least 1 or 1.5 hours you can work on it. So when you work on it for a long time, what happens, the people who looks at your posts, when they buy once, if the product quality is good, if it is really a good quality product, then they believe in your sharings, they believe in your suggestions and referrals. So like that, the more people will believe in your shares and referrals, they buy the products and you will get the good commissions from the product. Even the people, those who are selling hundreds of products in the online as Amazon Associates and affiliates, so they are having actually 3 or 4 years experience. So that's why they are able to sell hundreds of products every day. So it needs a lot of experience also. You just keep on working on it, then you will be able to understand. In the Google search bar, you search in the Google Trends what the people are, which products people are searching a lot. Then you keep that kind of products. You filter, you go to the Amazon or Flipkart, filter the best selling products. You keep those products. So there are high chances are there for the people to take those products. Okay. So this was the today's topic, how to register ourselves as Amazon Associate and how to develop a small part-time job also for our additional profits. Hope you liked it and keep on watching. Take care.